Welcome to Algebra 1, Semester 1. We're going to take a look at what the Schoology course looks like to give you an idea of how to navigate. So you can see that Course 1 or Semester 1 has 5 different units. You have to finish Unit 1 before Unit 2 will open up. So if we take a look at Unit 1, all the units are laid out in a similar way. They'll tell you your objectives. Students will be able to and it'll tell you what that unit's talking about. There'll be a note packet that you have to download to your OneNote or OneDrive to start, so you can take notes as you're going through the course. There will be partial keys for you to look at that go with the practices throughout the different sections, and then it'll be split into different lessons for that particular unit. So if we look at Lesson 1, all of the lessons are set up in this, again, similar way. So Lesson 1, you'll watch a Play Pause It video. So the Play Pause It will be a video. You will take notes with your note packet as you're doing that, so you can split screen in order to watch the video as you are taking notes. Writing it down helps you remember that, and that's why you were taking notes as you are watching the video. And then every once in a while there will be a question for you to answer in the Play Pause It. The Play Pause It, your score on that is calculated into your grade for the course. You can redo the Play Pause It if you need to improve your score. Then there will be some practice questions. So again, this is something that you would download to your OneDrive or OneNote. You would complete the practice, and then you could use the partial key to check and see how you're doing. If you feel like you are ready, then you will take the quiz. The quiz is just a quiz to look at, we can't see it on here, but to look at what you remember and how you feel about the material from this particular lesson. The quiz, you have 3 attempts to complete. So if you don't like your score on your first attempt, you have 2 more tries to take it, and then whatever that high score is, that is your grade for that quiz. That is pretty much what all of the lessons look like. Every once in a while, there might be a Desmos activity instead of a paper activity. Once you're done with Unit 1, Lesson 1, then you go on to Unit 1, Lesson 2, so on and so forth until you are ready to take the assessment. The assessment will have a password that your teacher will give to you. Once you're done with Unit 1, Unit 2 will open up. So on your screen, it actually looks like this, so I can see that anything in blue is something that I'm able to work on. Anything in black is something that has not opened up yet. So I have to finish whatever step I'm on in blue before I can go on to the next step in black.